Enjoy your day. And don't forget to follow the Big Meal. Big Meal 899.
Yes.
It's 123 now. Next caller. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, what's your name?
Alex.
Alex. Hey.
Oh my goodness, it's you again. I hope you win. Hey, are you following us on Twitter?
Opo.
All right. Alex, are you ready? Traffic correspondent Alex. Pasok.
Magandang hapon sa inyo mga kaibigan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Tutuban. Napakasikip po ng daan. Ang sunog ay naharangan. Bumbiro ay natagalan. Kaya walang maligtas na kakamitan. Kaya mga motorista, huwag na dito dumaan. Sa halip bumalik na lang. Kayo manintikan. Sa mga magatang apoy na pumabayan lang. Kasama kayo ngayon mga kaibigan. Dapat na maging alis lang. Makataksidinti may iwasan. Tulad ng apoy ng kamatayan. Back to you, Sir Sergey, and Ma'am Ricky Flo.
Oh my goodness.
I'm starting to wonder. I'm starting to wonder. Did you prepare for this?
Did you prepare? Did you write it down?
Opo, nag-isip ako, Ma'am.
No, it's gonna like para siyang traffic report / phone.
Yeah.
No?
Tinula niya ang traffic report.
Tinula niya. Good luck to
I
you.
want to give him something even though he loses.
Really?
We'll
How about a
figure it
kiss?
out. A kiss.
Yes. All right. Alex, good luck to you. Are you ready?
Okay.
Your category is...
You have 60 seconds to give me 10 things that rhyme with book. Go.
Hook.
Cook, yeah.
Hook. Hook.
Book. Radio.
Radio.
Ow.
Volume.
Tok.
Tok.
Tok. Tok. Hook.
Yeah, that's 3.
Hook. Hook. Nok. Hook.
Nook.
Hook.
Yeah, we'll take that. Nope.
Wook is not.
Look.
Look. All right, that's 5.
Sook.
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 What's sook?
No, you soak it in water.
Pagulong sa tubig.
I'll give you another one. Crook.
Okay. Crook.
That's 3.
Crook.
Rook.
Rook.
Yes.
Yes.
Rook. How many more does he need?
2 more. 10
2 more.
seconds.
Let's go.
Crook.
He said that. I said
Ah,
that.
okay.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Crook.
Thanks a lot, Alex. Bye.